to show a couple of the visual enhancements in Windows 7. Here I have Windows 7 running, and I'm going to open a couple of things. First I have an Internet Explorer window, and then I have a Word document. A lot of times when I'm working on my computer, I'd like to be able to see two things side by side. So in Windows 7, what you can do is you can point to the title bar of one of your windows and drag it to the left side of your screen, and of the other window and drag it to the right side of the screen, and then you get a very nice effect that allows you to see both of the documents at the same time. Alright, another option you have is if you've got a window that's not maximized and you like to maximize it in a hurry, what you can do is you can drag it straight up and it becomes maximized. Another option, let me have several windows open for this one, and this happens to me all the time. I've got quite a few things going at one time, and there's one thing that I would like to have take precedence over the others. I'd like to kind of clear out the other things. What you can do is you can do a little shake on the title bar, and it will minimize all of the other applications. So here I've got three things going. If I give my Word a little shake, it'll minimize the other stuff. There we go. So that minimized my other applications. Alright, another thing is you'll notice that the taskbar is a little different in Windows 7. Right now I've got two Internet Explorer windows open, and if I hover over my Internet Explorer icon, I can see those two and quickly pop over to one or the other. I have one notepad, and it's just a blank notepad, and I've got one Word document, and here it is. You'll notice the little rectangle around the open icons, but there is no little rectangle around my Firefox, which means I don't have any Firefox windows open right now. Another option you have is you can right-click on any one of your icons, and it'll show you either your recently opened documents in the case of Word, or your recently opened web pages in the case of a browser. And you can easily get to one of those. If you'd like to close the current window, there's a close window, and I'll just go ahead and close my Word. You'll notice when I closed Word, the icon for Word also disappeared out of the taskbar. The same thing's going to happen if I close my WordPad. It's gone. Notepad is gone. If I'd like to have Word as a part of my taskbar, it's one of my frequently used applications, I can open my Word document back, and I can right-click on here, and there's an option to pin the program to the taskbar. So if I click on Pin the Program to the taskbar, when I close my Word document, the Word icon stays right there in the taskbar. If I change my mind and decide I'd like for it to go away, I can right-click it, and there's an Unpin the Program from the taskbar. Okay, these are just a few of the visual enhancements in Windows 7 that I think make it a nicer operating system.